Hello. I don't know why I'm very excited today. I'm very happy. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's been a while I did a video of me with my face showing like this. I think it's about a week. I've not really shot a video of mine and you're seeing my face. It has been just on paper. So all things being equal, I am here today and I will say I've missed you guys and I know you have missed me as well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this lovely geometry question. Should I call this a geometry question? It's still geometry, yeah. So the question says that this is not drawn to scale. The area of this particular triangle is s plus 2. The area of this is s, the area of this is s plus 3, and the area of this is s plus 1. Now the question says that we should find the value of s. How do we go about this? There is a theorem we are going to use, but I will go ahead to prove that theorem as well. I saw this video on a channel. I've actually forgotten the name of this channel. I think mind your decision or something. Yeah, and I loved it and I decided to share it with you guys. Okay, so in this particular video now, the question says we should find the value of s. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to remember this theorem. Yeah, this theorem states that in a rectangle in this form that has these triangles inscribed in it, okay, if this is x, this is y, and this is z, okay, and this is w. This theorem states that w is equal to the square root of x plus y plus z all squared minus 4xy. Okay, that is what this states. Now we are going to prove it first. Okay, so first of all, let us prove this particular theorem using this particular diagram. So the first thing we need to understand here is, let's call the length from here to here A, and the length from here to here B. Okay, then let's call this place C. Right, now remember that this is the area of this particular place. So, and this is what? A right angle triangle. Area of a triangle is half base times height, right? Yeah, so it means that the area of this triangle A, let's call this A, B, C, D. Okay, so this place, I think we should call it X. Okay, so that we don't make mistake. Oh, we have another X here, so let's call it P so that we don't make mistake. All right, so, and let's call this point of intersection M, and this place D, E. Okay, let's call this EF. Yeah, all right, so C to F is P. Remember, we are trying to prove the formula, or the formula that I just stated. So this is the area of this right angle triangle, and remember that the area of a triangle is half base times height. Okay, so it means that y is equal to half multiplied by P multiplied by the height is B. All right, so if we decide to get the value of P, we are going to have that, first of all, if we cross multiply, you have y times 2 is 2y is equal to PB. So to get the value of P, if we divide this side by B and this side by B, so you are going to have that P is equal to 2y over B. 2y over B. Do you understand? So I'm going to replace this now, this P, with 2y over B. So I'll write that. Okay, so we have this space is 2y divided by B. All right, now remember that this is a rectangle, and in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal, right? Opposite sides are equal, so it means that AB is equal to CD, right? Yes, and if that is true, that means this remaining part, which is FD, will be equal to A minus CF, right? Which is A minus 2y over B. So I'm going to write here as a minus 2y divided by b. All right. Now, similarly, if you look at x, x is the area of this particular triangle. All right. So using the area of a triangle that says that the area, which is x, is half multiplied by the base, and the base is what? This a, multiplied by the height. The height is this particular place, BE. Okay, so let's call this space between BE, let's just call it BE, this space BE. All right, so if we cross multiply, we have 2x is equal to a multiplied by BE. Okay, so if we want to get the distance between B and E, we divide both sides by a. So that will give us that BE is 2x over a. So here we have from here to here as 2x over a. So I'll clean this and write it because I don't have much space. So this is 2x divided by a. All right. Okay. Now remember that AC is equal to BD, opposite angle of a rectangle, right? And if that is the case, so it means that the remaining portion, which is ED, should be B minus 2x over a. So here is B minus 2x over a. Wonderful. Now, remember that this is Z, okay? So this Z being the area of this particular triangle, if I should solve this using the formula for finding the area of a triangle, we can see that C is equal to half. Now the base of this triangle is a minus 2y over b, right? So half bracket a minus 2y over b times the height, and the height is b minus 2x over a. Okay, I think this is all we need to prove this particular formula that I just stated. So permit me to clean everything now. I'm going to clean every single thing here. But before that, remember that the area of this whole rectangle is a times b, okay? So let's write it that AB is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. Okay, so at this point, I want to clean this so that I'll have enough space to solve this. So let's dive into that and prove the formula. So we have Z is equal to half multiplied by a minus 2y over b bracket b minus 2x over a. Now we are going to multiply both sides by 2. Let's multiply both sides by 2. If we do that, we are going to have 2z is equal to a minus 2y over b multiplied by b minus 2x over a. Please permit me to share. I want to be sure this is still recording. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I'm back. Sometimes I'll be filming, I'll not know that my phone has tripped off. It happened, so I don't have that energy to waste a lot of time and energy. Okay, so it's still recording. Let's continue. Now let's open this bracket. Okay, so we have 2z is equal to a multiplied by b is ab, a multiplied by minus 2x over a. We are going to have a multiplied by minus 2x over a. So this we cancel this, we are left with minus 2x. So I have minus 2x here. Now I have minus 2y over b multiplied by b. So you can see that this will remove this, you are left with minus 2y. And then I have minus 2y over b multiplied by minus 2x over a. Minus times minus is plus. 2y times 2x will give us 4x. 4xy, right? A times b is over ab. So what I will have here is 4xy over ab. So plus 4xy over ab. All right. Now, let us transfer this 2z to this part of the equation. If we do that, we have that 0 is equal to ab minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 4xy divided by ab. All right. All right. Now, we have 0 is equal to ab. Then what they have in common is minus 2, right? So we bring minus 2 out. Minus 2x divided by minus 2, we have x. Minus 2y divided by minus 2, we have plus y. And minus 2z divided by minus 2, we have plus z. Then plus 4xy over ab. Now, if we want to clear this fraction, we don't have any other option than to multiply through by ab. So we are going to have ab multiplied by 0 is equal to ab multiplied by the whole of this. ab minus 2 brackets x plus y plus z plus 4xy over ab. All right. If this is the first time you are coming across this lovely face, don't mind me, don't mind me. All right. If this is the first time you are seeing me, you are seeing this lovely channel, please give us a like. Okay? Yes. Click the subscription button. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. Anytime we upload new videos, you will be informed. You will be notified. Yeah, that is the name. You will be notified. Then for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always being there to support me. Thank you. Please like, comment and share. Comment, tell us what you feel about what we are doing, okay, or what we can do to improve what we are doing already. Thank you. Now we are going to multiply through by ab. So ab times 0 is still ab, is equal to ab times ab is ab squared. So we have ab squared. Okay, now ab times this will give us minus 2 ab bracket x plus y plus z. All right, then ab times this will remove this, and we are left with plus 4xy. Now if you look at, sorry, ab times 0 is 0. God, oh, this elementary mathematics, pardon me please. ab times 0 is 0. So here we have 0 is equal to ab squared minus 2ab bracket x plus y plus z plus 4xy. Now let's continue. We are very close to this particular, getting the solution to this whole thing. Okay. All right. So if you look at this, you will notice something. This looks like what? A quadratic equation. Remember that a quadratic equation is in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c. So if you look at this, okay, you can see that our x squared is the same thing as ab, right? So our x in this case is ab. You can see the same x here, all right, whereby this becomes the coefficient. So we can solve this using the quadratic equation formula. So using the quadratic equation formula, this formula states that x, but in this case is ab, so let's not the hand of this thing. Okay, so let's use ab. We are going to get ab using minus b. In this case, our b is what? Okay, I think I should state the quadratic equation formula, then I substitute. Okay, so according to the quadratic equation formula, it states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Okay, now let's compare this to this. In this case, our x is ab, right? So we have ab is minus b, that is coefficient of ab, which is minus, we have minus 2 brackets x plus y plus z. Okay, all right. Then plus or minus the square root of, oh, this is small, but I will try, b squared that is minus 2 bracket the whole of this, right? Minus 2 brackets x plus y plus z all squared minus 4ac minus 4 multiplied by our a is what? The coefficient of AB, which is 1, and our c is our constant, which is 4xy. So multiply by 4xy. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by our a is coefficient of AB squared, which is 1. Alright, so having written that, we'll have that AB is equal to minus minus is plus. So we have 2 brackets x plus y plus z. Alright, then plus or minus the square root of, then this squared will be minus 2 squared, which is 4, and this squared x plus y plus z all squared, then minus 4 multiplied by 4xy, everything divided by 2. So we have AB is equal to 2 bracket x plus y plus z. That's my son, please. It's okay, I'm coming. All right. So x plus y plus z, then plus or minus. This is the same thing as the square root of this and this. They have 4 in common. So let's bring that 4 out. All right. So we still have x plus y plus z all squared minus, so this will remain 4xy. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to cut the whole thing or pause it because of the noise from my son. All right, so everything divided by 2. So we have AB is equal to, so because of time, I will try to skip some steps, which I believe you would understand, okay? So this is still 2 brackets x plus y plus z plus or minus. Then we are going to have square root of 4 and square root of this remaining part. And square root of 4 is 2, so I will have plus 2 here. Then bring out the remaining square root, okay? Which is what? X plus y plus z all squared minus 4xy. Then everything divided by 2. So you can see, oh, sorry, excuse. So, my pen fell down. So you can see that we have 2 here and 2 here. So these 2 can cancel, all right? So this and this will go. Yeah. So now we have that this cleans better. Yeah. So now we have AB is equal to x plus y plus z, all right, plus or minus the square root of x plus y plus z squared minus 4xy. Okay, now I want you to remember something. Remember that AB is also equal to the area of what? That particular diagram we drew, which I can repeat. So this is what we drew, what we are solving with. We have this. It's too much. We have this. We have this. And we have that. This is X, this is Y, this is Z, and this is W. And this is our A and B. All right. So this AB happens to be the area of this particular diagram. But remember that AB is also equal to the sum of all the areas in this place, right? Which is same thing as X plus Y plus Z plus W. So X plus Y plus Z plus W. All right. Now I want us to compare these two particular equations. Did you notice anything? You can see that from here to here, they are the same. Okay, if this is equal to this, so it simply means that this W, which happens to be the area of the middle triangle, is equal to everything we have here. So you can say that W is equal to plus or minus from here the square root of X plus Y plus Z all squared minus 4xy. Now, are we going to take both the positive and the negative values? No. Rather, we are going to remove the negative value. Why? Remember that W is the area of a triangle. It can never be negative. Yes. Therefore, this is all positive. And that is where that particular formula that I wrote initially came from. I hope this is amazing. I saw it and I was amazed. I decided to share it with you. All right. So this is what we have now. So permit me to confidently write following what we have here. Remember that W is the area of the middle triangle, right? So following this particular area, sorry, I don't know why I'm so excited. So using this particular equation, we are going to have that x plus 3 will be equal to the square root of, remember that we have x plus y plus z, and this is our x, this is our y, and this is our z, this is the W. So it's going to be s plus 1 plus y is s plus 2 plus z is s. All right, all of them minus 4 brackets. Now our x is s plus 1 and our y is s plus 2. Okay, ta-da! We are getting close to the answer. So now we solve s plus 3 is equal to, I'll be a bit faster, is equal to s plus s plus s is 3s. 1 plus 2 is 3. Sorry, this is squared. All squared, right? Minus 4 bracket. Let's open this bracket. S times s is s squared. S times 2 is plus 2s. 1 times s is plus s. And 1 times 2 is plus 2. So s plus 3 is the square root of, remember that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so this means that this will be 3s squared, which will give us 9s squared, plus 2 times 3 times 3, which is 18s, right? Plus 3 squared, which is 9. So this is what we have here. Minus 4 brackets, this is s squared, plus 2s plus s is 3s plus 2. I hope you are still following. Okay, so now we have s plus 3 is equal to the square root of 9s squared plus 18s plus 9 minus, let's open this bracket, 4s squared minus 12s minus 4 times 2 is 8. So we have s plus 3 is equal to the square root of, now we have 9s squared minus 4s squared, and that will give us 5s squared, right? 5s squared. Now 18s minus 12s, that will give us plus 6x plus 6s. Then 9 minus 8 will give us plus 1. Okay, yeah. All right, now let us take square of both sides. Okay, so if we take square of both sides, we have s plus 3 squared is equal to the square root of 5s squared plus 6s plus 1 all squared. Don't worry, we are almost there. Yes, we are almost there. So have you hit that subscription button? Have you? If not, please do that. Turn on your notification bell as well. So here we have s plus 3 squared is equal to, this we remove this and we have 5s squared plus 6s plus 1. Now let's expand this. S squared plus 2 times 3 times s is 6s, okay, plus s, 3 squared is 9, is equal to 5s squared plus 6s plus 1. So if we look at this, you can see we have 6s here and we have 6s here. So we can actually remove them. So we now have, let's transfer this. Okay, let's transfer everything to the other side. So if we do that, we are going to have 0 is equal to 5s squared plus 1. Then this will go there to become minus s squared. And we transpose plus 9 to the other side to become minus 9. So we have 0 is equal to 5s squared minus s squared is 4s squared. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Are you excited? Because here we are, almost at the end of this long video. I'm excited. So if we transfer this to this side, minus 8 becomes 8 is equal to 4s squared. Let's divide both sides by 4. Remember the question says we should find the value of s. Okay, so this we divide this, we have 2 is equal to s squared. So this simply means that to get the value of s, we take square root of both sides. So square root of 2 is square root of s squared. So this will remove this and we have that s is square root of 2. QED. Thank you so much, my amazing lovers and subscribers. I'll see you in my next video.